Before I go further, very important hadith of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hadith number 1403 of Sahih al-Bukhari, related to zakat. This is very important. What is the hadith? The beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, on day of judgment, there will be people around whose neck camels and sheep will be tied and they will be dragged towards the hell. And while crossing me, look at this hadith, while crossing me, they will say, Ya Rasulallah, please make shafaat for us. Sahih al-Bukhari, 1403. They will say, Ya Rasulallah, please make shafaat for me. The Prophet ﷺ says, I will give the reply and say to them, I cannot help you. I conveyed the message, you didn't obey me. So what about these ignorant and fools and stupids who are fooling the entire Muslim community and saying, there will be a Baba and a baby to save you from hellfire? And Surah Tawbah, Surah number 9, ayat number 34, I said the second part, right? Those who hoarded the gold is the second part. You know ayat, how does it begin actually? The ayat begins by saying, amongst them were Rohbani and Ahbar, priests and rabbis amongst them, who fooled the people and earned money by teaching them religion wrongly. And they hoarded gold. This is how the ayat goes. The beginning is, there were scholars amongst the Jews and the Christians. The Quran is revealed to Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, so at the time of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, there is no way Muslims can have groups and sects. Right? So, revelation before Quran was Torah, Zabur and Injil. What was the response of their scholars of those books? Allah said they misguided the people by changing the kalam of Allah, only to earn money with it. After Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam today, same thing. If somebody says, oh, you can't say this, no, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, my ummah will follow in the footsteps of the Yahud, inch by inch, cubit by cubit. And if anyone from them committed zina with their mother, there will be a fellow from my ummah who will do the same thing. You got it? So again, now this was connected to zakat.